Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be my second video for my Halloween decor that I am making for my little birthday get together. So if you want to see what I created, just keep on watching and remember to subscribe and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video, which is extremely important to help out my channel. So let's get started with the first project. And right now what I am doing, I guess I could call it like little lanterns, but like using little plastic containers from the Dollar Tree. I was struggling to take off the sticker off those containers, so what I did, which I did not show, is soaked it in water for a good 2 to 3 hours and then rubbed off the sticker. And pretty much what I am doing now is just painting everything black and while the containers are being soaked. So once everything was drying up, I took this cobweb, took chunks of the cobweb out and just pretty much stuffed the little containers and decorated around it with either spiders, skulls. I also used some hands. I also used just random creepy stuff, and they actually had those little lights at the Dollar Tree, which I thought it was pretty cool because after some time they start to flicker, so it gave it a nice effect. When you had the lights dim, you'll see it towards the end. But that's pretty much it for this project. I just stuffed everything with cobwebs, added the little spiders, decor, and all that. Look at the skull, how creepy is that? Anyways, that is it, guys. This was pretty fun to do, pretty easy and pretty affordable.
It's just like the saying, you don't know what you got till it's gone. But now I know in my hometown, running free, it could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. Oh, how you make everything fall into place. You see, you make everything. You see. Thought you really loved me, guess I was wrong. Thought you'd never leave me, guess I was dumb. Waited like forever to be your plus one, but I guess you were done.
For my next project, I wanted to do like a tombstone type of sign, but it really didn't come out as planned. But hey, I still thought it came out pretty good, even though what I envisioned did not come out. But it is fine. DIYs are not always perfect. We're just having fun, honestly. For the life of me, at the Dollar Tree, I could not find any black spiders or any black anything. So this is what you're gonna see me doing a lot, is painting the spiders I got and painting the ants and all that creepy stuff. All I've been doing with these DIYs is painting because I could not find anything at the Dollar Tree that was already a color. So I'm pretty much just doing that right now, just pretty much painting.
Psychic, the only psycho here is you. 'Cause you're a stupid boy, treating hearts like toys, but I'm just as stupid as you. When we started dating, I was surprised, felt so elevating to ease crazy at times. Then all of a sudden, reality strikes.
So guys, I did not have a better brush to write RIP, so I ended up using one I had to use. It still came out pretty decent. It doesn't really necessarily have to be perfect because it's supposed to be like spooky, gory, like all hot mess-ish, I guess that's what I'm just telling myself. But you just see me here. I am just pretty much decorating the tombstone, quote unquote, because it really isn't. Like I stated before, I wanted it to look different from this, but it still came out pretty decent. And you just see me here putting all the spiders, and then eventually I'll put a cobweb and all that fun, creepy stuff.
For believing lies for my clueless mind, but I didn't know what you do. I could have known it. I'm not a psychic. The only psycho here is you. 'Cause you're a stupid boy, treating hearts like toys, but I'm just as stupid as you. Na 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 na, just as stupid as you. Na 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 na, just as stupid as you. You're a stupid boy, treating hearts like toys, but I'm just as stupid as you. For believing lies for my clueless mind, but I didn't know what you do. I could have known it. I'm not a psychic. The only psycho here is you. 'Cause you're a stupid boy, treating hearts like toys, but I'm just as stupid as you.
I've got issues, 'cause I fell in love with you. Doesn't make sense, but it's true. I can't help myself, gotta get help, 'cause I can't deal with my issues. Make me feel alive, but confused. Should've spent more time on you, 'cause I know that you hurt. Leave me in the dirt, gonna leave me with my issues. 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 Oh, I've got issues, 'cause I fell in love with you. Doesn't make sense, but it's true. I can't help myself, gotta get help, 'cause I can't deal with my issues. Make me feel alive, but confused. Should've spent more time on you, 'cause I know that you hurt. Leave me in the dirt, gonna leave me with my issues. Gonna leave me with my issues. Gonna leave me with my issues.
Alright guys, for the third and final project for this video, I am doing another book. I wanted to do something even more creepier, so I decided to use a skull and cobwebs and spiders, you know, the basic stuff. But you see me here, I am just painting the book all black, and eventually I am going to paint the skull all black as well. I added a little bit of red paint to make it look like it was kind of bloody, so I wanted to do it that way. I was also going to write, well, I did write Book of the Dead. It didn't show up as well as I planned it to be because, like I stated, I don't have another brush, so I had to improvise the writing of the Book of the Dead. But I guess it came out still pretty decent. It's still a fun project to have, and I still thought it was pretty creepy.
Want you to feel my pages. Is this for real or is it just a fantasy? Are we for now or is it really meant to be? Are you still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this story? Far past the epilogue, will I still be in your heart in this story? Are you still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this story? Far past the epilogue, will I still be in your heart in this story?
So guys, I decided to be even more creepier before actually decorating it all and adding the skulls. I have these, I guess you call them googly eyes. Guys, this is, I don't know why I decided to do this, because I have that thing where when there's little holes clustered together or like round things clustered together, my skin crawl. So as I was doing that, I was getting like the heebie-jeebies because I do not like how this came out. Not that because it looks bad, it's because I just don't like the clusters of circles all together. But it is supposed to be a creepy book, and that's how it ended up coming out. I did add a little bit of black paint and red paint so it could look like it's imprinted into the book.
Are we for now or is it really meant to be? Are you still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this story? Far past the epilogue, will I still be in your heart in this story? Are you still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this story? Far past the epilogue, will I still be in your heart in this story? Could be fake, just a blink of a moment, and it's gone. The smallest piece that we need when we're broken, all lost.
So that is it, guys. That's my 3 projects. I have one more video to go for DIYs, so please hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video so you don't miss that and you won't miss my other upcoming videos. Remember, if you haven't already, subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Until the next time, bye.
Till we start to tear, but we can still be strong. So wipe out all your tears.